Let's make a hot honey chicken tender sub, y'all. This sauce is super simple, y'all. We got half a cup of honey, half a cup of Sriracha sauce. For the savory flavor, we add some soy sauce. Topped it off with a little bit of hot sauce. And then some red pepper flakes. And we just cooking this for about 10 minutes. Nice and thick sauce. Now we're gonna separate the red pepper flakes. No need to over flavor chicken. Just going with a little salt, pepper, onion, garlic powder, some allspice seasoning, smoked paprika. Put a half a stick of butter in the pan. I cook the chicken on medium heat, nice and slow to retain that moisture. Alright, now the chicken is done. We're gonna toss it in our hot honey sauce. So now we're gonna mayonnaise both sides of the breads. If you toast that bread with that mayonnaise, give it a whole nother flavor. We're gonna add on our chicken. One of many things I think you'll like about this sub is it's a balance between sweet and spicy. The spice not too overbearing, and it's not too sweet. Alright, now I'm gonna add some cheese. I'm using thinly sliced provolone, but you can use pepper jack, mozzarella, whatever you prefer, but we're gonna toast this in the oven, putting it on 375 for a couple minutes. Man, look at that, fresh out the oven. It's good enough to eat right now. But I'm gonna add a couple of toppings. Got some romaine lettuce here. Stack them on top of each other. Roll it up. Get a couple of dices. Add some tomatoes, salt, olive oil, and red wine vinegar. Take a look at that bad boy there, y'all. Honey hot chicken tender sub.